So the next time you log into Office 365, you're going to be required to change your password. So I'm just going to walk you through the whole process now. So the easiest way to get to Office 365 is through the college website, so that's sccb.ac.uk, and then click on the My College link. And then we scroll down to the Microsoft Office 365 link. Just click on there. Now, when you log in the next time, it should redirect you to change your password. If not, you can actually do this manually by clicking on your profile picture in the top right of the page. And if you click on that, you go down to View Account. And then you should see various options, one of those being Password and Change Password. So we click on that, and then it's going to ask us to enter our old password. So that's the current password that we're currently logged in as. And then we create a new password. So obviously one that's different to the old one and one that's memorable. And then just confirm this new password and then just click on Submit. So this takes us to the profile page, and we can see on here all of the devices and activity of where we've been logged in and what device we've been logged into previously. Under the Manage Account, we can obviously see we can change the password again. We can also set up a self-service password reset. So that allows us to set up some different methods for resetting our password if we forget it. So if we click on that, we can set up our self-service. So now it's asking us to enter the password, so we enter our new password that we've just created, and then it's going to send me a code to my phone because I've got multi-factor authentication set up on my phone. So as soon as that code comes through to my phone, I just enter it in here, and then I click verify, and it will take us through to the account settings here. Now from here we can see that we've got authentication method set up for phone. So that's what you just saw there, where the code comes through to a phone, and we've also got authentication method for email, and that's not been configured. We've got an exclamation mark next to the phone authentication because that phone number hasn't been verified yet. So if I just click on verify, it will actually send me a code to that phone, and I enter that code and it will actually verify that phone number as being my phone number. So as soon as the code comes through to my phone, I can then enter it into that box there. There we go, click verify, and as we can see now, my phone number has been verified. Now I need to set up an email address as a recovery email. So if I forget my password for whatever reason, it can send an email to my personal email, and I can then manually set up my password. So click on set up now, and I'm going to enter in my personal email address. This can be any other email address that you have, so long as it's not the one that you're currently logged into Office 365 on, so not your primary college email address. So I'm just going to enter one of my personal email addresses in here, and then I'm going to click on send. So same process as the text message. It's going to send an email, confirmation email, to my personal email address. So I'm just going to log in on my phone, get the code, and then just enter the code in here and click verify. And there we have it. So we've got my email address, my personal email address, and my phone number set up as authentication methods. So then once we're done, we can just click on Finish. Okay, and then that logs us straight into the dashboard there on Office 365. Now, if we want to get back to the panel where we saw the password and authentication methods, we just click on our profile picture and then just click on User Account again. And we can see we've got password there and security info. The security info one, if we click on that, that's the one that takes us through to where we saw our multi-factor authentication. So you can see there that I've got a phone set up and I've got an email set up as recovery. If you wanted to, you can click on Add Method and you can add a further email address or further phone number as recovery options for your account. But that's how to set up your recovery options within Office 365.